Hello, my name is Yuan Ren. I'm a PhD student of Inclusive Interaction Lab at University of California, Merced. Today, I'll present our work, GeShort 100 Mobile Text Editing and Formatting with Gestural Shortcuts and Floating Clipboard. This work is authored by Gunnar Rekmatula, my lab mate, and me, and Ahmed Arif, my advisor. Text entry has become a vital part of our daily life. Nowadays, we enter text not only on our personal computers, but also on mobile device. Traditional text editing and formatting methods on mobile phones can be imprecise, complicated, and time-consuming. It involves a 500 to 1,000 milliseconds long tap to enable the edit mode, precisely position the cursor over the text to be selected, adjust the selection range by dragging the two edit handles, then select the intended action from a pop-up menu. We propose GeShort for fast and more accurate text selection, editing, and formatting on mobile devices. It uses simple rules to facilitate direct cursor positioning, gestural shortcuts for text editing and formatting, and a floating clipboard to enable delayed, repeated, and block editing. We developed 3 simple rules to facilitate the precise target selection. First, when the finger lands within the 3 characters from the beginning or the end of the word, the cursor is placed at the beginning for the first cursor placement and at the end of the word for the last cursor placement. Second, if the finger lands closer to the middle of the word that is either a gerund, compound, plural form of a word, or contraction, the cursor is placed between the prefix and the suffix. In all other cases, the cursor is placed where the finger lands. To select text, double tap at the beginning of the intended text to initiate selection, and then double tap again at the end of the text to confirm the selection. Users can also move the cursor 1 character at a time by swiping left and right, and 1 line at a time by swiping up and down on the text area. GeShort enables users gestural shortcuts designed based on keyboard hotkeys for text editing and formatting. To copy the selected text, users swipe from the space to the C key. To cut the selected text, users swipe from the space to the X key. To paste the selected text, users swipe from the space to the V key. To move a block of a selected text, users convert the keyboard into a trackpad by holding the fingers on the space. To format text, users swipe from the space to the U, I, and B keys for underlined, italicized, and bold the text, respectively. To undo and redo an action, users swipe from the space to the Z key. We conduct a user study to compare basic editing and formatting text with the default Android keyboard, Gboard, and our method GeShort. Here are the examples of experimental tasks of different selection patterns we used in the first study. Result reveals that users can perform editing and formatting tasks about 11% and 22% faster respectively with GeShort. Overall, GeShort was 15% faster, achieved by significantly reducing selection time by 11% and action time by 17%. Participants found GeShort significantly less onerous in terms of mental demand, physical demand, and effort, causing significantly less frustration. They also perceived the method as faster, easier to use, and all functions well integrated, thus wanted to continue using the method. For delayed, repeated, and batch editing tasks, Gboard added a clipboard feature which users have to enable from the settings. Using this feature, however, requires performing a series of actions and switching between keyboard and clipboard view, which is quite tedious. GeShort provides easy access to the clipboard by displaying a floating keyboard icon during the text entry. The clipboard icon appears when it has content. Users tap on icon to see the recent cut and copied text. Users can tap on the snippet to paste it. Users can long press on it to see the full text. Users can also swipe left and right on the bar to access the text that are not visible. We conduct a second study to compare to the floating clipboard with the default clipboard. We use the similar settings as in the user study 1. Here are the examples of the 4 types of clipboard tasks we used in the second study. Results show that users performed advanced editing tasks 34% faster with GeShort. They found GeShort significantly less onerous in terms of mental demand, physical demand, and effort, causing significantly better performance and less frustration. They also perceived it as faster, easier to use, and all functions were integrated, thus wanted to continue using the method. In summary, GeShort is not only faster in basic and advanced editing and formatting tasks than the state of art, but also users find GeShort significantly less demanding in perceived workload and better in usability. And that concludes my presentation. Thank you very much. And I'm happy to take any questions. You can also refer to our social medias for any questions in the future.